On September 26, 2024, police responded to a call at a Walmart for a shoplifting incident. What seemed like an ordinary theft concealed a much deeper struggle behind it.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, hey, what up? Did you tell him where you were yet?
No.
Okay. Tom, 15. Our suspect will be Janae. Stand by on her birthday. Hey, when were you born, Janae? Okay. I mean,
Y'all had
she's not giving me her birthday, but she is in locals if you can just check her. What'd you say?
y'all close me up in the system. That's the only way you're gonna get anything out of me.
Well, I already got you. You're a pretty recognizable person. All right.
Hey, then why ask me for my birthday if I'm already in the system?
Well, it makes it easier. What happened today?
I stole something. That's what happened.
What'd you steal?
Food.
What specifically?
Food. The kind that you eat.
Oh, okay. All right, you guys want to pursue charges and stuff?
Yes.
How much is it?
Well, it's a lot more than just food. So the clothes she's wearing are ours. And then we didn't feel comfortable going through because that card out there is hers.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not used to normal, actually.
And there's
normal
more
has the
stuff
same
in
type of clothes at their Walmart.
And it's more of our stuff in there.
Mhm.
We didn't feel comfortable going.
What?
Covered in blood.
Or urine or something.
Hey, what's up?
No. The clothes that were already in my bag, those were already mine to begin with.
Well,
I am homeless, that's why they smell.
Yes. All right.
So those clothes that were already in there is because I just started my period, so that's why there's blood on there.
Yeah.
So all those other clothes in there, those are mine.
All right. And the clothes you have on right now are from here?
From normal, yes.
From normal Walmart or here?
Normal. I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself. Normal.
Perfect. All right. Yeah, but she's meeting with somebody.
she's what?
She's meeting with somebody.
Okay.
Mhm. So, you guys got video and stuff of her taking the stuff today?
Yeah.
Do you know how much approximately it would be?
I mean, it's in the under.
Oh, yeah. Under 300. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't... I mean, if you guys aren't super concerned with the bloody clothes, we aren't either.
Yeah, no, that's fine, but I didn't put the clothes back this
Yeah,
year.
yeah. All right.
Hours.
Okay.
So she came in wearing the jack, whatever, out costume or pajamas or whatever that are on the top of the car.
Okay.
Yes, they got off the bus and I changed.
Oh, okay. Retail theft. Those clothes are stolen. There's some stolen items here.
She's wearing.
Yeah. So we got to get her out of those clothes and back into those clothes. Because those are her clothes. Probably stolen too, but at least you came in here with them.
The costume I came in with, there was my bus pass in it. So that was already mine.
What'd you say?
There's a bus pass in the costume I came in with. And with
Okay.
the side pocket. So that was already mine.
The bus pass?
And the costume I came in wearing.
Okay.
That's why there's blood on it, and that's why there's my bus pass in it.
Yeah, did you have like a sweatshirt or anything?
Yes. I just told you. I don't know how many times I've ever repeat myself. All those
Why do you have an
in there.
attitude with us?
Yeah.
Because I keep I have to repeat
All right,
myself.
stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I'm repeating myself now. You see how that works? Stand up, Janae.
For what?
You're
Y'all
being arrested for retail theft.
Am I actually getting locked? Can you pull my strap up? Because I'm doing naked without that on.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'm 15, one in custody.
Am I actually getting locked up, or is it just going to be a booking again?
Just a booking, probably.
Okay.
That's how it goes now. You're gonna be banned from here.
Okay.
We'll take you to jail. Get you a citation. That'll
How long
be
is
it.
that going to take?
An hour.
Okay, y'all always say an hour, but it ends up being 2.
Maybe 2. Maybe 2.5. I don't know.
Still.
We'll take it out of here. Is that yours? Is it stolen?
What?
Is this yours?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Come with me.
Why would I be on it if it wasn't mine?
I don't know.
Exactly.
Alright, bet. Bet, dude. No. We're on it, Burnsy. We're on it. I did, but then she went to go meet with somebody. Yeah, somebody wanted to talk to her. Here, go in front of this car.
Unlock this one. It's unlocked. You should be good.
All right.
I don't know why you check something that's not even good.
What'd you say?
Not really. You won't be able to tell if there's something in it.
What's her name again?
Janaya Day.
Again, it's just a scrunchie, so what would you put in there?
Yeah, J-A-N and then Day, D-A-Y. Okay. I checked the pocket. She ain't got nothing on her. Alright, I'm gonna go get their stuff.
Oh, like the meeting with command?
Yeah, somebody wanted to talk to her.
Oh, okay. Unlock the spot. It's unlocked. You should be good.
Alright.
I don't know why you checked something that's not even hidden.
What's that?
These things can be hidden in this.
Not really.
Oh,
You would be able to tell if there's something hidden in there.
what's her name again?
Janaya.
Again, it's just a scrunchie, so what would you put in
J-A-N
there?
something?
Yeah, J-A-N and then Day, D-A-Y. Okay. I checked the pocket. She ain't got nothing. Alright, I'm
I
gonna
don't know
get
how
their
many
stuff.
times you can touch the same pot.
Policy says twice.
No, you already checked it like 5 different times. Something's in there.
It was him and then me. That's twice. All right, let's go ahead and sit down. I don't know why you're mad at us like we did something.
Because I think I have to repeat myself and keep having to tell you
We're
guys.
committing crimes, and then you wouldn't have to deal with us. You know what I mean? So don't have an attitude with us. That's not how that
It goes around, yeah.
To change into my shorts and the gray hoodie I had.
We're not gonna change right now just because we have no female officers on.
I meant when I get there. I didn't mean like right now.
Yeah, you can ask the jailers if they're able to let you change. Okay.
Okay, 'cause it is kind of hot.
Yeah. Did you undo the seatbelt again?
Yeah, I don't want the seatbelt on me.
Okay. Well, we're gonna put it back on you. I'm putting her seatbelt back on. She just undid it. So I'm gonna put her seatbelt back on.
She unbuckled it?
Yeah.
Why'd you unbuckle your seatbelt?
I didn't want it on me.
We have to have it on.
Why?
Because
For
it's the law.
safety, yeah. You gotta wear a seatbelt when you're in a vehicle.
When the officers questioned the woman named Janae, she admitted to stealing food and clothes. She explained that she was homeless, hungry, and could only survive by stealing. The situation became more complicated when she claimed that some of the clothes originally belonged to her and that she had no stable place to live. Although Walmart confirmed that the stolen amount was less than $300, the significance of this case goes far beyond retail theft. It reveals the harsh reality of survival for the homeless.
So if you got here a good time, more people are coming. You're first in line.
So if I'm first in line, it might take less than an hour to get me out of here.
Hopefully. Unfortunately, we come in and then we're kind of on their time because they're doing their thing. All we do is bring people in whenever they can to come and grab you and start processing you. But you saw that car pull out ahead of us, so I mean, they just pulled somebody back. Could slow them down a little bit.
You might pull me up my shot. Sorry.
In the end, Janae was charged only with retail theft and released after booking. But her story raises a bigger question. Will she find a way out of this cycle or continue down the same path? Sometimes, one moment of change can spark a new beginning. What do you think? Does she deserve a second chance? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life stories.